Hello guys! We are going to go camping with the family. So, andyan yung mga bata. Guys, are you excited?
Yes.
Yeah. So, ang init, grabe. I think 32 degrees today. Here in Sydney, yeah, 32 degrees. And, yeah, magka-camping kami. Tatay is back. Ano, full tank na? It's very exciting kasi kaming family lang. So, kami lang ni tatay with the kids. Excited ka na tayo? So, ngayon, paalis na kami. Medyo late na. It's already 1:13. Pero, okay lang. So, overnight camping lang siya, guys. We're just gonna stay there until tomorrow afternoon. So, ayun. Share ko lang. So, ipapakita namin sa inyo paano kami mag-camping and kung anong ginagawa namin sa campground. So, pupunta tayo ngayon sa ibang campground. Hindi ito yung usual na pinupuntahan namin. We're gonna go sa isang campground na 1 hour away.
1 hour with toll.
With toll na yun. So, yung pupuntahan namin ngayon, hindi pa namin napag-campingan. So, natuklasan to ni tatay and sabi niya, mag-book ka na agad. So, na-book ko to 2 weeks back. Was it? 2 weeks, no? Yeah, so I booked this campground 2 weeks ago. And, yeah, napag-decidean namin na kami-kami na muna ng family para meron kaming, parang alone time together. Pwede ba yun? Guys, we are here. So, ako lang yung bumaba kasi, oops, diba, pwede ba dito mag-step sa grass? Ako lang yung bumaba kasi nasa kotse pa silang lahat. Bawal mag-park dito. So, where do I go? Dito. Reception. Wow, look guys, so beautiful. Breathtaking. Wow. So, doon nag-park sila, tatay. Ayan. So, we're gonna have to go here first, sa reception, and check in before we camp. Guys, I've already checked in, and hinaantay ko lang sila tatay, but they gave me this. It's the camping permit. And, yeah, I just have to put this sa harap ng car. Look at that. So beautiful and so clean. Oh, ayun na sila tatay. Yeah. Okay. So, tawid. Ako na lang pupunta doon. Para hindi na mahirapan. Yep.
Oh, dito may mga kabayo.
So cool. Yeah, we're gonna have to put this sa ano natin.
Oh.
sa front
Sa front, sa tent?
ng car.
Ah,
Yeah.
ayun ang tingin mo. Ay, ganda.
Wow, guys, look. May mga horses. Napakadaming horses. Pero ang dami, nakakatuwa. Ayun na sila. So, sabi, 10 p.m., bawal na mag-ingay. So, you know, like, tone it down. And then, ang sabi, please don't, camp under
Trees.
the trees kasi
babagsak.
possible, branch mag-fall down daw. And, ano pa ba? Yun lang naman. Tapos, tinuro niya sa atin yung pupuntahan. So, doon tayo magpa-park sa Mill Paddock.
Bakit daw doon? Anong
Sorry, not park, but yun yung campground natin.
Hmm.
Yeah, that's where we're booked, I guess. Oh, look at that.
Look at that, Carlos.
What are you? What is that, Carlos?
This one?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Nakalimutan ko tawag sa kanya eh.
Have to go.
Bye! Say bye-bye! So here guys, you can also do glamping. Ibubook nyo yan. Kung wala kayong tent, you can do glamping. So, hindi nyo na kailangan magdala ng tent nyo. Tapos yun sa baba, may parang creek. You can swim there. Or parang tampisaw lang kasi hindi naman ganun kalalim
Ano to?
yun. This is the Mill Paddock. Dito tayo naka-assign. Ayan o. Mill Paddock. Ito yan. So, anywhere daw pwede tayo mag-put up ng tent dito. Yeah, madami nagka-camping guys, pero hindi siya sobrang crowded, which is good. Laki dito, babe. So, ayun na, madami na naka-pitch ng tents. Wow. Now, we're just gonna have to look for our
And there?
tent. Oh, pwede rin dyan, ah. Guys, so we have finally parked here. This is our camping spot. Ayan, meron din. Sa kanila pala yan. So, ito yung pipicture natin ng tent. And yeah, sobra yung init as in. Grabe. I need to use my hat kasi
But I'm gonna show you this slide.
masusunog.
Careful, guys.
Masusunog tayo. Ayan. Yep. Perfect. Diba? So, naglalatag na si tatay and kakain lang ako nito mag-this. This is my favorite lolly lately. Sino lolly tayo? Ha? Ayaw mo? have finally pitched the tent. Ayan. Meron tayong awning. This one. And dyan natin lalagay yung tatay. Kumusta? Pagod na pagod. So sweaty. So, tatay is setting up the fan. Kasi pawis na yung mga bata. Guys! Share with him, please. He wants to go up. So, magdadagdag pa tayo ng
You want to move.
seats. It's okay. So, yun yung fun nila.
Hangin naman.
Is it working? Oh, yeah.
Tara.
Biglang humangin. So, we also have an awning dito sa taas. Yan ang gagawin naming kaduktong dito sa awning ng tent. So, let's go. So much love for tatay. What do you have there? This is clover. Clover chips. Thank you. It's so pretty. Pahinga-pahinga muna guys. So, nandito na tayo sa lilim. Oopsie. Kuya, can you please give it to him? I think he's thirsty. Here you go. Pagod na. Namula-mula na sila. Tapos nagtatayo lang ng mga chair si tatay.
Pakalagay na muna itong mga to.
So guys, we are now gonna set up the tent.
Oli.
Palagay dito. Thank you. Oopsie. Oh my goodness. Aray ko, hinagis. Aray ko, hinagis na. Madami tayong bagahe. So, we have here yung mga damit. So, lahat na ng damit namin ito. Wait lang. And then, this one, yung pang higaan and mga pillows. So, maglalagay muna tayo nito. Babe, para saan to? Para sa ilalim ng comfort area?
Natin,
Yeah. Yung kay Carlos, nakuha mo?
nandito.
Okay.
Look, I made a butterfly.
Pati yung ano niya, yung parang foam.
Look.
Sure. She got it first. She got it first. Thank you guys. Thank you. You guys are the best. Diba naman pagbigay ng gamit sa akin, nag-aaway pa. Are you kidding me? Lahat na lang pinag-aawayan. Okay. So, ito muna. Ito higaan ni Kuya Carlos. Sleeping bag siya. Mateo.
Yeah.
So, this is a single sleeping bag. So, may sarili na siyang sleeping bag. So, this is Kuya's bed. Ito namang bed natin. Oh, humahangin ah. Humahangin. God. So, this one naman is a queen-sized comforter. So, hindi na kami nagmamatress kasi ayoko yung... Oopsie. Hindi na kami nagmamatress kasi ayoko yung magalaw. Di pa pag kayo naka-air mattress magalaw. So, ayoko nung ganun. Is it wrong way? Ay, hindi. Okay lang. Okay. Now we have the pillows. So, what? 3 plus Kuya's pillow. And then, mga kumot, just in case lumamig. At least prepared tayo. And more kumot. Ito naman para sa atin.
Carlos,
And,
do you want this? Want some clover? Clover.
Another kumot. Hindi ko rin bakit nagdala na naman ako dito. Just in case. Just in case. Because like, the last time nag-camp kami guys, hindi ko akalain na magdo-drop yung temperature. And nag-suffer kami nung gabi. Wala kaming proper kumot. So, ngayon, prepared tayo. Pero ang init naman. So, hopefully, lumamig mamaya at maging useful naman sila. Not yet, puppy.
That's nice.
You can't eat here though.
You can eat here.
That's your bed.
Okay.
I need a
So, yeah, that's his bed. And then this is where we sleep. Na, hindi naman sobra. Hindi naman sobra. Now, ipapak muna natin itong mga to dito sa loob. Like this. Para hindi nakakalat. So, ganyan lang. So, yeah, this is our tent. Ayan, dito tayo maglalagay ng light. And then this one is also a strip light. So, may ilaw din yan. Lalagyan lang natin ng power bank.
Toilet dito natin lalagay.
Tapos, lalagay na lang namin yung, mayroon kaming, ayaw gumalaw. Meron kaming porta potty and we just put it there siguro, no? Kasi malaki naman dito eh. Hala, yung shoes niya, babe.
Mati!
So, this one, dito namin lalagay yung porta potty. Kasi malaki naman yung tent. And, para sa mga bata, sa gabi, at least may ihian. Hindi na kami lalabas. Kasi malayo ng konti yung toilet, at least. Less hassle na. Pero pag number 2, syempre, dun tayo sa labas. Kumaingay. Careful ha, careful. What happened? What is it? I'll take it. I'll take it off.
Ano nangyari?
Hindi nakakain siya ng buhok. Kasi yung tubig niya, babe. Oh, please. So guys, we are finally almost 100% set up. Ito yung ating maliit na kitchen. And yung potty, iniwan muna natin dyan. So later na natin yan ipapasok. We have here our fridge. Ayan. So maliit na fridge lang siya. And ito, obviously power bank or battery para mapatakbo niya lahat yan. And then we have here microwave. This is an actual microwave. Hindi siya camping microwave, pero yan ang binili ni tatay kasi meron naman tayo ditong solar energy. So hindi na kami magluluto. Ang ginawa ni tatay, nagluto na siya sa bahay ng mga iiinit na lang. Ayan. So yung mga yan, ulam lahat yan hanggang dun sa baba. So very very simple setup. Ayan. And here we have our Coleman coffee drip. Coffee drip to, babe, no? So coffee drip, ayan. So syempre hindi pwedeng mawala ang kape. Yan ang favorite namin ni tatay. And then this one is clean drinking water. And ayan. So yan na yun. So kakain na tayo. Ayan, snack lang ang mga bata. Nagsasnack lang ng apples.
Alam mo, 3 lang, no?
May dala ka ba? Parang
Oo.
konti lang doon.
Sabi mo, 3 lang eh.
Oo.
Hmm.
Hindi, akala ko lalahatin mo yung container. Pero it's okay. May mga bread naman tayo, diba? So we have burger steak. So this is the burger. And ito yung sauce. Sure na rin si tatay
Now you have your
ng rice para ima-microwave na lang siya. So this is our plate lunch. So we have rice.
Oh, the ketchup.
And we have this one.
This
This
is sriracha.
is ano to? Burger steak. So gawa ni tatay
Sriracha.
lahat to. And meron tayong baon na
It's
fried
my
garlic
sriracha.
for toppings. We also have sriracha. Syempre hindi pwedeng mawalan ng hot sauce. Ayan. Oh, nakita. Caught on cam. And then, syempre, we have the Loti Milkies na original. Favorite ko to. So, yan. And we're gonna eat with Bonita. We're gonna pray.
Dear Father in heaven, Lord, thank you so much for this wonderful day. And thank you for all the blessings, for giving us this wonderful nature, Lord. And for the food we're about to receive. Father, thank you so much for taking good care of us and providing us with so much resources that we are able to spend time in your creation. Lord, thank you, and we praise in the loving of Lord Jesus Christ. Amen.
Amen. Good girl, Oli. You're very good. Nireject siya dun sa loob eh. Kaya lumabas siya.
Maybe.
Let us eat.
So yung ganitong setup, nag-decide kami na lutuin na yung mga pagkain sa bahay. Then i-portion na siya sa mga take-away container. Tapos, pagdating sa campsite, hindi na kami magluluto. Since may
Init-init na lang.
microwave, iinitin na lang namin siya. So, we have more time para sa mga kids, maglaro.
Usually kasi nagluluto kami.
Only water.
Pero sabi namin, since overnight lang naman, try natin yung hassle-free na camping. Here's your water. Here. Ako pa, gusto mo.
More water.
Tatay will refill that. Be patient. You finish it first. Finish it first. Hey guys, so maglalakad muna kami. It's already 5 o'clock and maghanap kami ng mabibilihan ng something. Yeah.
We're gonna explore the place.
Yeah, we're gonna explore kasong babagal ng mga kasama natin.
Matty, hurry up!
Mateo, come here. Come on. Ayan po, kumakain kasi. Okay, hold my hand.
You can't ride a horse now because you're still small.
Guys, there's a duck here. Kung ano-anong nandito. Look, hold the goat. Touch the goat.
No,
Pwede yun.
no.
Touch it.
Goat might bite.
Right? Yeah!
Careful. Careful. It's all you know. It's okay.
It's a stinky goat.
Baby, si Mati ha.
Oh, am I?
Babe, si Mati, tingnan mo, babe.
Why are you doing that?
Scratching his head.
Touching his head.
Okay,
Yeah.
hold him, Carlos.
Hold it?
Yep.
Careful. What a creepy looking guy.
How is it that? Oh, very itchy.
So guys, hindi tayo nakaabot dun sa parang convenience store nila kasi apparently 5:30 ang ganda. 5:30 ang sarado. So pagpunta namin doon eksakto 5:30, sarado na sila. So bukas na lang. Wala, sige, oh. Binuhat na si baby niya. Is he tired? Matagal din yung nilakad natin, ah.
Oo, bago natin eh.
Parang ilang minute walk yun sa tingin mo?
Maybe that's 20 minutes walk.
At least, no? So, toasted na kami. Toasted lovers.
Nakakita mo yung toasted ko na ano, kamay.
Toasted ang kamay ni tatay. Kaya mo na, iwan mo na yung mga bata. Kasi na
Ba't
sila.
baliktad? Ako dapat na ganyan.
Ikaw pala ganyan. Ang daming bata, guys. So, nakakatuwa kasi it's very family and kid friendly. Ayan. My gang. Hi, gang. How are you?
How about you?
We are back. Ang layo din ng anuhan natin. But here is our spot.
We're back.
Yeah, we are back. Finally,
Carlos,
kakahinga.
1 second.
you want the ball?
I'm getting chocolate. I want the ball.
Hinanting agad niya yung ano niya.
3, 4.
Ah, nagbabaliktad sila.
Oh, your turn. You roll the dice.
Roll the
One.
dice.
Gumalaw na naman.
1. Ooh.
Whoa. Yes, you.
Mo kasi galaw, hindi stable ka mo.
Five.
5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oy!
You went 7. We went 7.
1.
Nine.
Pinagtawanan ka naman.
Your turn.
Okay. It's your turn. 6.
Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6.
Well done.
Foggy turn.
No.
Three.
Froggy's turn.
77. That's what I'm talking about.
That's what I'm talking. Nani mo?
1. Ang daya.
Ba't
1.
ganun?
No.
Oh, hindi ko alam yun!
Yun.
Yung
Oh,
mo.
and then, yeah.
I got 3.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
You're shaking at the
4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
to me.
Oli, your turn. Carlos, you're 1. Oli.
Only you wait for your turn. Ah, sorry.
Whoa. That means you.
5.
5. Asan ako?
1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Akala ko mag-isip.
No, save.
6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Wala, hindi ba tayo magkapareho? Bay, magkatabi tayo.
Hindi tayo magkatabi, kayo ni Carlos magkatabi.
What?
Hindi mo kumakain eh.
Oh,
6.
6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
No, babe. I'm telling you. He's skipping. Asan siya?
Magkasama kayo, babe. 5 ka, 6 si Carlos. So, dito siya sa ahas.
Other way to
Sure ka ba?
21.
Nanay's turn, nanay's turn. It's okay,
Oh,
Carlos.
6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
No, you went backwards.
6. No.
No, it's right. 6. Ooh, I went up. Let's...
1. 1. Naughty boy.
So we just finished playing Snakes and Ladders. And ako yung panalo, guys. So, nagpapahinga na sila. Napagod silang lumaban. Napagod na.
I have one. Wait.
Wow!
Look.
Silly.
Speaking of 37.
Speaking of 37.
No way. What am I? Huh? Whoa. Bye-bye.
Naglaro na
I'm
mag-isa.
showing it. How did you get up there?
Why do you say sorry?
Seven.
Because?
2. 1, 2. Whoa, 37 already.
You get ice on your face.
Hey guys, so we just woke up. Actually, si tatay lang pala. Nakaidlip. And then, kakabangon lang namin. Nagpahinga lang kami saglit. And now, it's already 7, ano na babe? 7:30. 7:30. So, this is ano pala? Parang merienda. Late merienda. So, we have tinapay and coffee. Hot, drip coffee. Medyo lumalamig na, no? Good job, boy. Well done. You want bread? Here. Here. Gusto niya yung plain. Okay. Go get one.
You want some chicken sandwich?
Yeah. Carlos, can you bring it out here? The cell phone, yeah. Hey guys, so it's dinner time and we are having dinner while playing a movie. So, ito yung movie na pinapanood namin. So, ayan. So, dito yung food natin. And then, ayan. Okay, we're gonna eat now. What do you want? And that's the movie. So, meron lang tayo itong projector. And yung projector screen. The next day and we are now having our breakfast. Ayan, Tatay and Olivia's here. Good morning. Tatay.
Yeah.
Oli, good
Hi.
morning.
Morning, guys.
Mateo, good morning. Naku, namula-mula na. Pawis-pawis.
It's warm.
It's
really
very warm. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good job. So, this is what we're eating. Meron kaming brioche. Ito, brioche buns. And this is corned beef. Niluto na ni tatay sa bahay. So, ayan. Nandito lang kami sa lilim kasi sobrang init. Ayan. Sobrang init. And then we have our air condition here. Ito, aircon yan. And then we have our fan over here. So, yan. Naghahati-hati kami kasi sobrang init. Grabe. Naka-pajamas pa sila. But we're just enjoying our cuppa here. So we have a cup of coffee, drip coffee, very good coffee. And we're just enjoying the last bit of our camping today.
No, we're gonna stay here until
uuwi
maybe 2
kami
o'clock.
later ng hapon. No, I mean like this is the last day.
Yeah.
But we're definitely gonna come back, no? Did you like it here, Tatay?
Yep. Very nice.
Very nice. You want chocolate? How do you ask, anak?
Every chocolate.
Ito, iced chocolate. Nag-yellow na. No, you can't hold it. Tatay, can you assist? Kasi gusto niya hawakan. Si Dudoy.
Holy.
Careful. It's okay. I'm gonna...
Ate, no, that's coffee. That's coffee.
Ah, naghanap siyang drink. Okay, can we share with Mateo? Here.
Ay.
Nainis na. Here. Naku, don't touch it. Okay, I'll help you. Naghanap ng ice chocolate niya. Kasi nakuha is coffee ni tatay. Nagalit tuloy.
Hey, guys, what are you doing?
Gusto niya mag-walk? You wanna walk? Kanina pa ito nag-aayabay mag-walk.
You're gonna scratch it later.
It's too hot though. You have to wait. You need to walk. Yeah, they're back. Tatay and Kuya's back. Okay na? Hi, Kuya.
Guess what? I'm just back in the toilet. 290입니다. 가보자. 어디까지 날아갈 수 있을까요? 해적 얼굴을 볼 수는 없군요. 이럴 수가. 다시 도전입니다.